Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about a unique inventory that came to us of Steelcase V2 leap chairs that were manufactured in April of 2026, so just a couple of months ago. They've never been sat in, never used, so let's take a closer look. All right, so let's take a closer look at what we've got here. And so I've got one of these chairs fully assembled out of the box already. I also have one in how we received them, which is in the factory original box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and we can take a closer look at the chairs. As you can see, this is all factory original packaging. This is how we received the chairs. I do wanna make a quick note that this is nothing to do with Steelcase or our relationship with Steelcase. This was an open market buy that came to us. We were able to acquire these chairs in the open market, which is why we're selling them and that we will be taking the warranty on ourselves. So if you purchase one of these chairs, Crandall Office Furniture is gonna be the one holding the warranty and handling all of this. I also did want to mention that even though these did arrive in this packaging, we will be removing the chairs from this packaging, putting it into our own packaging so that you can follow all of our assembly instructions, our return policy, and all of those things. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chair that we've taken out of the box and pre-assembled here. And as you can see, this is a black frame version 2 leap chair. It has the 3D knit material on the back. The color is licorice, so it's black. The seat material is Cogent Connect licorice, which is also black, so it's a completely black chair. Really sharp looking, 100% OEM components. So this has not gone through our process at all. You know, typically we're known for remanufacturing chairs, but since these chairs have never been used, we are selling them as they are, which means they are 100% OEM original equipment on these chairs. Arm pads, fabric, seat pad, all of the above. They also come with 65mm hard floor casters. Every chair that we are going to be selling through this are going to include the original casters because they are unused. We are also offering an option to add, if you would like to add rollerblade casters or anything like that, it would be a second set of casters that we would include if you went that route. All right, so because these are chairs that we are offering in the secondhand market, we are offering our aftermarket headrest as an option to purchase along with the chair. And we're gonna be offering it the same discount that we would if you're buying a remanufactured chair. What I've got here is one of our headrests upholstered in our bow knit black fabric, which as you can see is very similar and is going to match the chair very well. It's gonna look pretty seamless. I'm gonna pop this on here really quick just so you can see it on here. But we're gonna be doing this at a discount so that you can pop that on there, and as you can see, it looks great, really matches well. Our BioKnit and the Cogent Connect fabric really kind of mesh well together and look very similar, so it's going to be a pretty seamless look. All right, so the last thing let's talk about is going to be pricing and policies. We're going to be offering these for sale at our website, crandalloffice.com, for over 20% off of new pricing. So head over there, check them out. As long as the video is live, they should still be available. But again, we have a very limited quantity of these, and once they're gone, they're gone. We do not anticipate any kind of restock on these chairs. As far as return policy goes, we're offering 14-day free returns on these chairs. Same policy as a remanufactured from the standpoint of you are going to need the original box. And that 14 days returns window starts when the chair is delivered, not when it ships or when your order is placed. For the warranty, we are going to be holding the warranty here at Crandall Office Furniture, and we're going to be doing the same 12-year warranty that we do on our remanufactured chairs, but that warranty is held by us, not by Steelcase. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on this one-of-a-kind inventory that we came across and are able to offer to our customers. This is a really unique opportunity. We're really happy to be able to sell these chairs to as many people as we can here. Like we mentioned before, quantities are limited, so if you're interested, go ahead and click over there and buy them now. Once they're gone, they're gone. We will not be coming across an inventory like this ever again. At least we haven't before, which is what makes this so unique and such a cool opportunity. So again, thanks for taking the time to watch. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. It really helps us out. And as always, if you have any questions at all about these chairs or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. That were manufactured in, it's April, right? It's April. April of 2026. At a unique inventory, we were able to acquire, what's the best way to say this? Able to acquire these leap chairs, on these leap chairs. These, you buy a like new, no, is that close? Unique chair buy that we came across, no, what did I just say? Because these are, after we're going to be offering these. You want to stop it or are you good? The chair is delivered, so you get a good 2-week. Dang, that was I don't care. And so the rest of it. So